When you thought you had finally found the one, when you believed the love was real, suddenly, without warning, you were replaced. No explanation, no closure, just gone. And that kind of devastation cuts deeper than most wounds. It leaves you reeling, questioning everything you thought you knew about yourself, about love, about them. And the worst part? You were the last one to know. This is one of the most painful hallmarks of being entangled with a narcissist. The quick replacement isn't just cruel, it is calculated. It taps directly into your deepest wounds of rejection and abandonment. That's why it feels unbearable, why you can't stop asking, why? What did I do wrong? Why wasn't I enough? But here's the truth, it was never about your worth. It was never about you being not enough. The narcissist replaces so quickly because they were never connected in the first place. What looks like love at the start, the over-the-top passion, the intensity that I've never met anyone like you, is nothing more than love bombing. It's a carefully crafted illusion designed to hook you. Once the mask slips, once the fantasy cracks, the narcissist retreats back into the same empty void they've carried since childhood. This is the wound of an attachment disorder, a deep disconnection from self. They never learn how to form a true bond. Instead, they mold themselves into what others want to see, always chasing attention, always hunting for supply. That's why they can walk away so easily. You weren't a partner in their eyes. You were a function. You were filling a role, meeting a need, merging with their emptiness. And when you could no longer sustain that illusion, they simply moved on to the next. Often, the new supply was already circling in the background, waiting in the wings, ready to step into the role you were forced to leave behind. The replacement feels like the ultimate rejection. You imagine that this new person will get the love you deserved, that somehow they are special in a way you are not. But please understand, it's all an illusion. The new supply is not the exception. They're the next in line. The cycle will repeat. The love bombing, the devaluation, the discard. It's the same script, just with different actors. What you see on social media, the happy pictures, the perfect couple image is nothing but a magic show. It isn't real, and it never will be. The narcissist cannot love in the way you love. They cannot connect in the way you connect. Their disorder makes sure of that. Your healing begins when you stop blaming yourself and start seeing the truth for what it is. Their fast replacement is not a reflection of your inadequacy. It's a reflection of their emptiness. They move quickly because they cannot sit alone with themselves. They cannot face the void. So yes, it hurts. It feels like betrayal. It feels like rejection on the deepest level. But this ending is also your freedom. This is your moment to step away from the cycle, to stop living in someone else's illusion, and to reclaim your own life. And while they will continue to repeat the same patterns, you have the power to break free, to heal, and to rise stronger than ever before.